Hello, fam. Let me get my seat together. My hair looks crazy, but it's okay. I'll comb it later. So hello, fam. Welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we're always here having a good time. And come visit me on TikTok and Insta because I'm there daily. And of course, welcome back to our oldie but goodies. So you guys, I'm back with 3 looks using one palette. And like I promised you, we're doing 3 looks with this beautiful palette. This is legit my favorite freaking palette right now, because look at it. Look how beautifully rich and brown these neutral shades are. They're bomb. I did a full first impressions with lip swatches and everything of this ColourPop collection. The collection's called Not a Box of Chocolates. I think that's what it's called, or the palette's called that. Oh my god, this hair is gonna get on my nerves. But I'm here to do 3 looks using this palette alone. So what I've been doing lately with my 3 looks using one palette, I create the look, play some music, then at the end we talk about it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Create look numero uno, and then I'll see you in the outro. Bye.
feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days, one of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, maybe I can get it right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. Love me right. Someone's gonna love me right. I died before I tried to reason with the devil. Won't play a losing game. I ain't about to settle. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Grab me a tissue. The world's gone shallow. But I've been wasting so much time trying to figure out what's mine instead of just living my own life. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, maybe I can get it right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. Love me right. Someone's gonna love me right. Someone's gonna love me right.
Hello, familia. This is it. This is the third and final look. You guys, I'm getting my tattoo removed, so it looks super funky right now. It literally peeled today. I mean, yesterday. It's like looking gray. Anywho, let's fix the hair. My hair looking a little funky. I'm trying to extend my hair non-washing, but it's not working today. Here we are. You guys, I know it took me a little longer than I usually take when it comes to doing the 3 looks. But you guys, I just had to take my time with these because these looks were all so pretty. I absolutely love this palette. I did my first impressions full review with the whole collection in another video. I'll link it down in the description box so you can check it out because that look I created, oh, it was legit. I think one of my favorites. But this palette is beautiful. I just love how pigmented the shades are and how the shimmers just glide onto the lid. They don't create a lot of texture and they're workable. Like you can build them up to a very pigmented look and a shiny look along with the matte. And you can just dust it like we did today. Where's my brush? Like, you know how we just dust it today, kind of give us a little bit of wash of color. I didn't want the full color of the actual shade. And I kind of like when shades are buildable because maybe you just want to do a little something on an easy day, work day, you know? So this palette is beautiful. I love how deep these neutral shades are. This palette is perfect for anyone of color. I'm just still in awe with this palette. I've created more looks on my TikTok. So I think in total, I've done maybe 5 or 6 looks with this one. And I'm gonna keep using it just because I love that it's affordable, that it's accessible to you guys. It's available at Ulta and ColourPop's website. By the way, ColourPop's website always has deals, especially Black Friday's coming up. So check it out. I will link it down below so you guys can check it out because they always have 20, 30, something, free shipping, something where, you know, we can save some money. I believe it retails for $26 or $24. I'll put the picture up here, but it's great. And if you love neutrals like I do, you're gonna use the heck out of this palette and get your money's worth, you know? Every look was so easy to create. I love all the looks. You guys know they're always all my babies. The first 2 looks, I wore them all day long and they lasted. Like nothing looked crazy, nothing looked scrapey, nothing faded, you know? And I love chocolate. Like I told you guys in the first impressions video, I absolutely love milk chocolate. And if I see a shade that remotely looks like any sort of chocolate, I'm all up in it. Like this palette. You guys, my lip today, oh, it's right here. The Punchy with my Buxom lip liner. I'm kind of feeling this. I also added like the lipstick from ColourPop, this one, Dulce de Leche, like on top. And look, didn't it just give us a little something? Let me know your thoughts on this palette. Have you gotten it? Will you be getting it? And let me know which one is your favorite. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your day with me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I feel like I have lipstick on my teeth. Oh, I don't. A little bit. Okay.